Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious soft scramble with spinach, mushroom, and quinoa. Yeah, you heard me, quinoa. So it's the first of the year, you're trying to eat healthy. This is a great breakfast for that, so let's get cooking. So the first thing we're going to start out with is we're going to saute our mushrooms. So let's go ahead and add those in. Okay, so I've cooked down the mushrooms. Now I'm just going to add in my spinach. I'm just going to go ahead and mix that all together as much as I possibly can. And then I'm going to cover it and just let the heat from the mushrooms that I've already cooked and whatever heat is in the pan just kind of wilt the spinach. So our spinach has wilted down, as you can see. I'm just going to add a little bit of seasoning. And then I'm going to add a little bit of butter in here, and then I'm just going to add in the quinoa. So this is a really great way to use up leftover quinoa. So if you're making a recipe, make a little extra, then you know you can have this for the next morning for breakfast. Just get that fat to melt down a little bit, then add in quinoa. Just going to mix in our quinoa with the sauteed mushrooms and the spinach. Smells really good. Like I said, it's super healthy. Okay, so now we're gonna make our soft scrambled eggs. If you don't know what soft scrambled eggs are, in contrast, hard scrambled eggs are sort of the American style version of scrambled eggs, where you kind of cook them over a fairly medium-high heat. You're flipping them, rotating them a lot, really trying to create a sort of nice, even, but dry scramble. Soft scrambled eggs, you cook over a low heat, and instead of flipping them and moving them around, you kind of just create these lovely sort of omelet-like ribbons until it's all cooked, but it still looks kind of wet when it's done. If you're a fan of runny yolks, you should definitely try soft scrambles. You'll just love them. Okay, so our scramble is done. Now I'm just gonna add it to our spinach and mushrooms and the quinoa. Soft scramble there. Top it off with some freshly cracked pepper, some flaky salt. There you go. Delicious, healthy breakfast. Sauteed spinach, mushrooms, some quinoa, some soft scrambled eggs, full of protein, very, very healthy. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Hey, if you like to cook like I do, I release new recipes every single week, so please subscribe. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.